check. That's why I see.
I close all. Before I sleep, I close all.
Nakabukas yung gate. Tapos nakabukas yung cage. Yung magiging reaction niya kapag nawala yung worth of 50,000 na aso. Hello guys. Good morning. Maaga ako nagising kasi ipaprank natin si Alpha. So, nawawala yung aso niya. Ngayon, itatago ko yung aso namin si Kabay. Nandun si Alpha sa taas natutulog. Papakita ko sa inyo yung aso namin. Ito yung aso namin, guys. Kung matatandaan nyo, guys, meron kaming isang video na in-upload at pinakita sa inyo na bumili kami ng aso. So, tinigan natin kung ano yung magiging reaction niya kapag nawala yung worth of 50,000 na aso. Papakawalan na natin siya. Kawai! Kawai! Dito. Dito ka. Dito ka. So, ayun guys. Naitago ko na siya dito sa loob. Ngayon, aakyat na ako sa taas. Pero ang gagawin ko, bubuksan ko muna yung pinto tsaka yung gate para magmukhang may pumasok talaga at kinuha yung aso. Nakabukas yung gate. Tapos nakabukas yung cage. So ngayon guys, aakyat na tayo. Tapos sasabihin ko, nakita ko yung gate nakabukas. Tapos yung cage. Tapos wala na si Kawai. Be. 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 Wala na. Si Kawai, wala.
Who's Kawai?
Ha?
Who's Kawai?
Anong kung Kawai? Hoy. Gising. Our dog. Hoy. Hoy. Yung aso natin. The cage is open and the gate is open. I think someone get Kawai.
Ano Kawai?
Our dog.
Kawai?
Wala na.
Bakit?
Wala na sa cage.
Open. Bakit?
Hindi ko nga alam. Tignan mo kaya.
What dito?
Hindi ko nga alam eh.
Oh, hindi ko alam. You wake up early.
No, I just wake up right now.
And you see it like this?
Yeah.
You check the house?
Oo, wala.
Oh, wala. No,
Wala nga eh.
wala na. Wala na.
Hindi ko nga alam. Ano?
I don't see nothing. My eyes.
Bakit?
Ano nga?
Oh. Wala oh, di ba? You see the cage is open?
Wala. Sa tiling ni wala. Wala.
Ano ang gagawin ko? Wala naman talaga.
If you wake up, you just check the...
Yeah, I checked. That's why I see wala na Kawai.
I close all. Before I sleep, I close all. Bakit wala? Wala na. Wala. Ah. Ano what?
Why you blame me?
Because you wake up early.
Oh,
Oh.
ikaw nawala si Kawai last night pa.
You
Oh.
wake up early and you know that right now?
Yes.
Well, if you wake so before you wake up, you not check Kawai and give food or water?
I checked that. I checked. I just wake up right now.
You not wake up right now. I sleep with you together. And you wake up right now. Check the Kawai. Bakit yun? Wala.
Bakit ba nagagalit ka?
Ay, nako. Stop. So what you gonna do? What?
Oh, anong gagawin mo? What's your plan?
So what? Why you look at me?
Bakit? So what we gonna do? We go barangay like that?
Barangay. What are you gonna do? We go check dito. What's your fault?
Why you blame me? I just wake up right now.
You not wake up right now. I celebrate you together. You wake up, blame me, wake up right now.
Even I wake up right now or kanina, but Kawai is not here.
But when you wake up, Kalina, if you check, you will know if he's here or not. So you wake up me that time. But it's matagal na din. So how if someone get kawaii or like that?
Ano gagawin natin?
Anong gagawin mo? Bakit? You go check.
Actually, it's your fault because I tell you, you put lock in the gate, but you not put lock. Padlock.
So no, it's your fault.
But it's okay to wala.
No, it's okay.
But I think it's okay to wala Kawai. It's only 50,000.
Gago, baliw.
Bakit? It's only 50,000.
It's not about money. It's about kawaii. I'm not talking about money. I'm talking about kawaii, the dog, our dog. Make me even mad.
Tama naman ah. Oh, I'm right. So, ayun guys, nakita ko pabalik na siya. Hinahanap na si Kawai. Ano yung pagmamukha? Makita mo?
You see nothing. And it's very minute. Minute.
Ano?
Ano. I don't see nothing. Ano. You don't need to ask me ano.
Ano yun?
But no plan here. The plan is going to check Kawai. Where Kawai right now?
Ask the police.
Stop it. Can you stop talking? Stop talking, please.
Ano?
Ano what?
Anong gagawin na?
Can you stop telling me anong gagawin mo? You don't need to ask me what I'm gonna do. The one we gonna do, go check Kawai.
Saan ba natin hanapin? Laki-laki na itong village. Oh.
If you know Kawai, please can you tell?
Hindi ko nga alam. Oh. Pagbaba ko. Oh, I just sit here for a while and I check Kawai.
So let's go outside, ask the people. We waste our time, sit here and nothing gonna fix. Tara na.
Hoy, saan mo punta?
Go check Kawai, ano sa punta? Wala na go. Why are you smiling? This is not funny.
Ha?
This is not funny.
Alin? Smile ka nga. Hindi kita makita dyan. Smile ka.
It's not funny, babe.
Smile. Smile lang. Isa.
I'm not smiling. It's not funny how I'm smiling. Tara na.
No. I know Kawai words.
No, if I feel how can I smile? If I'm not
Alam ko kung nasan si Kawai. Huwag mo na kapag Englishin. Bongol.
Ano?
Alam ko kung nasan si Kawai.
Ano alam ko lang si Kawai? Saan?
Open this one.
You know what you do?
Bakit?
I'm Silvi.
Ano? Ano? Ano na namang ginawa ko sa'yo?
Do you know what you're doing?
Ano?
I'm sleeping. You wake up and say, "Kawai, it's not here." So,
Ha?
why are you doing this?
Alin?
Allen? You say Allen?
Okay lang yan. You're not satisfied?
So,
You're not satisfied?
let's go.
Check your baby then. Kawai! Kawai! Ayan.
Oi, come on, come on.
Ayan si Kawai.
Oi.
Ayan na. Uy!
Wait. Wait. Oi. Don't go anywhere, huh? Look at me, hey. Look at me, relax. Oi. Don't go anywhere, okay? Okay?
Makulit. Oh,
Si!
napakakulit niya aso
Si!
namin, guys.
Sit.
Oh, sit.
Sit. Sit. Sit.
Ah, di ba? Mahal na mahal ni Alpha yan, kaya hindi pwedeng mawala.